Okay, guys, I think the all this came a little bit late, so we can start. Today's section is how to use Fibonacci and what is the correct time and what is a not good time for the because it's not necessary every time Fibonacci market trend working in Fibonacci, but mostly they are working with Fibonacci. So how you can identify is a Fibonacci level, is a Fibonacci trend right now or not. I will tell you one thing and how you calculate the Fibonacci correctly. Second, the third thing is how you, if you are against trade, so how you need to try to exit to take a less loss and how you take an entry if you are thinking about the entry. So how you take an entry with Fibonacci. Okay, so I hope so you are listening for the carefully. First we go to GBUSD. Okay, this is my old analyzing. I will delete this. If someone get it or not get it, they have a question again, so you can ask. Okay, first of all, you need to go daily. Any chart, any pairs, you need to go daily. First, you are looking where the market running and where the market come out before. For example, if I say the market highest trend is this, okay, now market came out on this trend, and if you check it, so they give you a very solid the downtrend they break out and they came down. It's totally liquidity plus GBP weak movement. If I saw the daily, so you can when you saw the like this 4 to 5 candles bearish continuously, so this is a Fibonacci level. You need to check out this trend high and this trend low. You can put your Fibonacci top to bottom. If you are looking for the bearish trend, so you need to start with top and finish your bottom. So you can see they are complete the 78% retracement. And if I check the previously, so they give me a very strong resistance. How is resistant? Why I'm saying this resistant? You can see the one rejection is there, one bottom is there, and the one bottom also is there, one bottom also is there. You can say bottom and lower low, you can whatever you like, you can say. I will make a push. Yeah, you can see one this, one this, one this, one this, and one this. This is very strong news. GPP very weak, so that's why they are totally collapsed, and they continuously day by day across the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days they are continuously down. So the trader, the good trader, they are waiting when they start for the retrace. They are interest. They call a retracement traders. Okay, this trading they just need your patience, but they give you 100% successful rate. If you are enter here, 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 they give you few amount. But when you are waiting for the retracement and you are retrace traders, so they give you a lots of amount and lots of increases there. If you see, if someone enter here, if someone enter here, so the second entry they must think about, if I enter here and market goes again up, So what you do? So when they start this type of rally, you need to avoid and wait for the retracement. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please,
Yes.
if everyone understands, they must say got it, yes, no, whatever. Because
Yes.
if you say no, so I will explain again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's mean if you saw the daily, so daily market trend already retracement finish. Okay. Now you want to come, you are day trader, not long. This is for the long term trader. You can see if you are how many days you are waiting for the replacement. They are completely touched 78 again. Why I'm looking at bearish? So it's mean there is one entry. The Fibonacci trade is if you are looking bearish, so you need to enter 61% sell because you are looking for the sell, and the 78 the second sell. So this is your two entry, and your stop loss is this. This is your stop loss. This is your first entry, and this is your second entry because you are calculating sell. You're not thinking about the buy. So it's, it's many times it will go up.
Why are you thinking about sell?
Sorry,
Why are you thinking about sell? What don't you think can go up more?
why you are thinking about sell? Because you are calculate a sell.
All right, yeah.
Okay, so retracement always are reverse. They are coming for the reverse. You are this the buy is very, you can say, very risky. Maybe it's happened. It will came here. Okay, then it will come down again. So your buy entry is totally a stupid
Yeah,
thing if you put in the buy here. Okay,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
talking about only for the days who who trade on the daily. I'm talking about the big buyers and the big seller right now. The
Okay.
when the retailer, so I will come again. I will come in. For example, they are enter here the market again downside, so they are just waiting for the retrace when the retracement coming, and then give you one rejection is there. They are putting for the sale. Okay, and the target is 23 and 38. They have a two target. Still, right now, if you are watching to any platform, any website, so they are calculating buyers and sellers, how much the buyers volume is buyers or seller. So everywhere they're showing two sellers. Why? Because all sellers enter in the market right now. So it's happened. Maybe it will come down 38%, then again going up. But we are retailer. We are not. We just watch out this. What is the market situation right now? Okay. The first thing you need to see, this is the sideway. It's already not good market for the trade. If you are looking for the buy very long term trade, so this is not a good market for the trade right now. If they break out this area and break out this area, so it will clear, it will down or upside. Now I am coming on the sellers, retailers, sorry. We are just like we are. I am coming for, I just put support. One support is there. The second support is there. The resistance is there. And the resistance also is there. Now you are take it daily support and resistance. One more is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have lots of touches there, so I will also count this one. Okay, Right now I just count 3 resistance, those support 5,000. Okay, now I'm coming for the 4 hour. Okay, now we need to check previous how they move. They give you double top, they are rest down, so you can just put the trend line only. No need to check head and shoulder and blah blah blah. You just check the trend how they work. They are every time they are give you 1, 2, 3, 4 move and they break out. The 4 move they break out. Now this is your long trade, not this. They break out, they started. This is high bullish trend. Now you need to check this. Okay, they break out, they're going up, they break out, they came down. Now I check this. Okay, and also, so right now market working in the proper trend. For example, they down, breakout, up, breakout, down. So it's mean the market running right now in the proper trend in a 4 hour. For the retailer, for the small trader who give you just 10 to 15 pips, 20 pips, they are doing. And how you analyze this? You can see the higher high, higher low, and the fourth time is a breakout. The same like before the fourth. The same like 1, 2, 3, and the fourth time they break out. 1, 2, 3, the fourth time they break out. So 1, 2, 3, the fourth time they break out. Now you need to check the retracement, the previous channel. For example, this is my previous channel. This is my running right now market, and this is my previous channel. So I need to check how they retrace for the sale because they are sale trend. So I just looking on the sale, not looking in the buy. So they are retraced 61%, and they again came down 61%, again came down. So this is my entry. Sell, one entry is there, it will come to 78%, one entry is there. But the entry level is this. Then again market came, give you some profit, so you can enter again. You need to check this. If the market break this and came here, if they come here 78% cross out right now here, so you need to exit this sale entry and you are planned for the buy because there you have a two option and very two confirmation you have. They break out your channel and they also break out a 70% retracement. So it's main market suddenly change the direction. You need to exit your sale trade and plan to buy. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now these all channels are for the daily. Now I need to check out for the 4 hour for the smaller time frame. I just delete this one, it's totally confused of you. This is your one support for the 4 hour. This is your second support. Okay, this one very strong. Why? Because when we analyze for the daily and the 4 hour the same time, so it means it's very strong support right now. So they need to big move for the break this. They need a very big news for the break this channel. Now this is your resistance. And this one also, and the top high. Okay, see, if I am, for example, that why I'm say, if you are seller trained, so you need to only watch out sell. Why you need to only say, if I am calculate for the buy, so they give me a wrong direction. They told me the already sale trend is finished. But if you are looking for the sale trend, so they will tell you they are still running a retracement. So you have a one chance is there for the sell. Right now they break out overtrend, and then if I check to previous, it's near about the so double top, sorry. They are near about the double top, and you also take a one support is there. So it means they already retracement breakout and the finish everything. Now we need to wait for the buy because they already break the buy trend. Sale trend they already break out. So we are just need to calculate this. So you can see the 38% and my support is the same level. Its high possibility is they are give you a one more high and double bottom successful, then it will come down for the 78%. When they came 78%, you need to plan your buy. One buy is there and one buy. This is your first buy, this is your second buy, and your stop loss is this. So I think it will not much. It's 54 pips. Is 100 approximately. If you have two entries, so they will give you a 150 pips your stop loss, and your trade profit is 150 in 100. So it's mean 150 they have a ratio is 5 to 10. 150 your stop losses and your trade profit is 300 pips. So if you are again, for example, you are putting the sell, okay, so you can also analyze to this situation to how much go deep down. It will maybe it will touch there and it will come down. So you can also analyze this, how much you need the trade profit. If they cross 78%, you can hold your sale position. Right now they are break out for the sale retracement. If I check this, so you can see they are close and they give me a also lot very bullish candle more than 78%. So it means the sale retracement is finished. Now we need to next target we need to plan only time buy. Every time we need to think about the buy. And you can use also the small trend. Some people are look at here to here. If you are looking for the buy, so you need to start with bottom, finish to top. So this is your 1 and this is your 2. Now if you check this, they are not consolidation exit. So you must thinking why I'm using this type of things. They are not a complete retracement that you need to calculate here. This is your support and give you a bullish candle. So if you check about this, so you can see they are complete 50% and they also give you a touch in a support. So this trend, the buy trend is start right now. They start with the buy trend, they retrace 100% and they also reach target. Now we need to wait for the increase. If they give us again buy, so you calculate your buy. For example, your candle in the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it will came here and give you 3-2 or 1-2, whatever bullish candle. So you need to wait. And you need to calculate like this. Here to here. Now market is came. So you need to wait. If you miss out this entry, you need to wait again 50%. If the 50% rejected, so you are ready for the 61%. 61 also rejected, so you need to wait 78%. These three things very important and very good entry levels. I many time I'm using this. If I need decided for the entries, whatever time frame you can do it, no issue. If you are only retracement trader, so no need to lots of thing analyze and no need to actually make it channels. You just need to only the good candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two very small, so we not countable. This is called a trend. This is called a trend. Now we can come on a sell. This is called a trend. This is called a trend. So you need to every time when I highlight it, you can see that this really how much the Fibonacci, how many Fibonacci level is there? Can you explain? Can you say something?
2.
2. Okay. Why 2?
Sorry, 3.
Why 3?
Support resistance, isn't it?
No, I'm not talking about the support resistance. I just talking about how many Fibonacci level you can see here right now.
So you can see one long one, the first expansion retraces, and then the second ride retraces, and then the third, and it retraces quite a lot. Then it's a downtrend.
Okay, I will tell you. This is not a Fibonacci level. When they finish here, so this is not a Fibonacci level. If they're going to more than this level, you're not thinking about the trade because they came only. Okay, why you are not countable this way? Because they came only 23%. If they came 50%, then you can count this is the Fibonacci level. At least they need to give you a 50% retracement. 50% came, then you can countable the Fibonacci level. This is a Fibonacci level. They give you high long and then retrace to here. So you need to count only this or this. Only this value. You can see how many bullish candle is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how much the retracement? 50%. You need to count only this. Only this area. This is a bullish trend. There is no retracement. So when you saw the first retracement, for example, right now, if I plan to next level, I need to one retracement is here. If the market give me a first retracement on a Monday and Tuesday, then I will think about the market running still Fibonacci level. So I just trade an entry and take everything plan on the Fibonacci according to Fibonacci. I'm not thinking about any support, resistance, what is a trend, what is a. I just take an entry Fibonacci level. They gave me a lot of accuracy when I'm thinking about the entry, because the 1, 2, 3, 4, I think the June 20 and the till July, they are running Fibonacci level. Market completely give me a Fibonacci level every time. So I need to thinking about the Fibonacci when I decided for the entry. I need to must check my Fibonacci level. So this type of things you need to analyze. No, 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 no. This also no. This also no. This also finished. I just show you. You can see if I say the daily, so this and this. No retracement is there. There's just few retracement, not more than the last candle when they break out. So it will completely trend. It is completely Fibonacci level.
Go into 1 hour chart.
Go into 1 hour chart.
Go back to that downtrend.
Sorry.
Where's that downtrend that you had?
This is my downtrend.
The one with the blue lines.
Yeah, this one is my downtrend.
No, the one with the blue line that you've marked.
This
Forward. No, the forward. We left it behind.
one. This one.
Go forward.
Forward.
Move the chart forward. Yeah, that blue line right there.
Okay.
There.
Okay. This is Fibonacci. This is Fibonacci. 61, 61. Now I came to buy, but if I check it, they are not complete my 50%. So this is not a Fibonacci. This is not for the trade. If you are looking buy or looking sell, only for the according to Fibonacci. So this is not a Fibonacci level. They give you must 50%. When you get the 50% retracement, so now market are running 61%. You need to intercept. Every daily you can see the watch out. For example, if you seen only this candle, this is not. I try to my time to lower time frame, but they're not working on the lower time frame. 4 hours is very good for me. You can also count on this. If you are watch out the high bullish and the high bearish and the finish it, so you can, for example, you are enter here for the sale and market against you. Okay, now you are thinking how can I exit they give me they come down or not. Okay, so you just need to check to one top this and wait for the 61 or 71. If they give you rejection to 71 to 61, so they will come down must. At least they will come down the same low level. 23. I just remove this, too much switching.
What is the market doing there?
Just a minute. For example,
Right there. What is the market doing right there? What is it doing?
what is it doing right now?
No. I mean, during this period, you see that long period there. It's not moving up much. It's not moving down much. It's keeping very close to each other. What is it going through?
This is a consolidation area. This area is consolidation. This
Okay.
they are deciding for the buy or for the sell. Why?
So
Because they break out your bearish trend.
What is the industry picking up?
I did not get your question.
So the consolidation is what does it mean? What does it mean, the consolidation?
The consolidation mean is the market is right now they decided market rising more or it will came down again.
So it's picking up orders, right?
Yeah, for example, the buyers and the same sellers, they are equally in the market. If 50% is buyer, so 50% seller also is there. If someone bidding high, so seller also bidding high.
What happens after the consolidation?
When the seller is win, so market came down.
How much did it come down?
$133 pips.
Then what happened after it came down?
Yeah.
So what happened after it came down? It went into another consolidation.
Now, when it will came down, they retraced it, bearish trend. You can see my bearish trend is running. They retraced it and the came down, come down, rising again.
I could see another consolidation there though. Look.
Yeah. This is
when it came down, when it retraced, there's another consolidation, right?
Yeah. Consolidation means right now they are deciding for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 hours they are fight together. So market rising up and it down. For example, you and me fighting right now and the 15 hours we are fight together. You give me a $1, I give you a €1. You give me a $1, I give you €1. And the last time my pocket is empty. Okay, my pocket is empty and you are win. So market seller dollars is win. So it will came down. Then suddenly Sepur Rahman came and they told me I am supporting you. What you need right now? I say I need to $5,000. Okay, to win this chance. So they give me $5,000. I have a money right now. So right now again I am come in the market and I give direct $10, €10, €15, €16, and this time you don't have money. So it means the buyer, when the buyer retain, this retracement based buyer are quiet. Now seller is running. When the buyer speaking start, so it will rising again one by one,
So
one by
it
one.
looks like the market is in a very cycle of a pattern.
Yeah, market always running psychological pattern. You are Tariq. Tariq, you are not came before. That's why you are asking this.
Sorry?
You are not came before, na? Before classes?
No.
That's why you are asking. So the market always running as psychological things. Market don't have any situation and they are not auto running. They are always running psychological. They are the bank. there's the bankers, they are economical, so they fight together every time.
Okay, so what I really wanted to know is, you know, when it goes into consolidation that you were talking about earlier,
When you see the pattern is running,
when we see the consolidation there, right? How do you know which direction it's gonna go?
so I told you, when you see the consolidation, you need no need
Yeah.
to trade. You no need to trade. How you plan to trade, I will tell you. This is high, this is high,
Mm-hmm.
this is low. This is high and this is low. You can see high and low. When they break your low and they retraced and then came again down, market must retracement. For example, Tarek, I will tell you, you need to run 100 kilometer in one shot. You can do it. You can run out 100 kilometer.
No, but I'm
No.
saying, how do you know? You see that down move, you see that sharp down move. How would you know that sharp down move is coming?
I will tell you now. When they retracing, one day, they came the retracement. So it's mean the market retrace and give me a bearish candle. This is called a bearish candle, and for the reversal, there is 3 cow. They again against him. You play any card. You know the how to play the card.
Yeah.
What card?
Uh, Ikka, Joker,
Call bridge.
yeah, the casino card. I
Yeah.
don't
No, I don't go casino.
playing card. Yeah, playing card. Everyone, I think the in UK people, everyone play the. I don't know the card seriously.
Okay, so you were talking about the reversal and the thing, but I want to know how do you actually work out when it's gonna have a very sharp move down or up?
Okay, so it looks like it was an arranging area between those two zones, the support and the resistance. Okay, or supply and demand. So he has his resistance set at the top, and then he has his support at the bottom. So when you're focused in on that little area, it's moving between those zones. It broke out of the zone. It broke out of that zone. So it broke out in a bearish trend. So you have your red candle, right? And you have a signal. There's a candle signal there, which looks like a doji. Okay, it's several candle signals there. So if you know if one of your signals could be a candle formation. So that candle form right there, which told you that the market was going to go in a different direction. Now, if you are very aggressive, you could have entered right there into a sell and set your stop loss. But essentially what it did was it broke your support. So when he says play your cards, when you know your candle signals, so one thing that we talked about the other day was the Candlestick Bible. You have to read it. I've read that book 4 times, and you will keep going back to the book. If you don't have that book, the Candlestick Bible, you have to read the Candlestick Bible. But that's what he means by playing your cards. So when you see those candle signals and it actually broke out. So right there was a breakout into a bearish trend. You have your candle signal there. It broke the strong support. So it was a good chance that it went back down, but it could have also been a false breakout, but it actually continued into a downtrend. So you have to really get good at, your entry point. So if you were really aggressive, you would have entered right where that candle broke out because of the candle signal and because the candle signal is at a strong support. You could have entered there, or you could have entered where that next candle started at. The next candle that formed after the break, you could have entered right there. Okay, so there's another bearish candle that formed after After that, I wouldn't have entered until that second candle formed, the
You need
second
to enter
bearish
here.
candle.
This is your entry. You can
How
decide
is
it
that an
here.
entry?
This is your sale entry because they are retracing and they not try to break. If the candle close is here, so thank you, Shalekha, for the fact you are very great explainer. If your this candle, it will close to here or here. So it's not a make sense. You need to intersell. You need to wait again for market break this, and they give you a this type of candles and this type of rejection. Then you can decide it for the sale. It's not 100%. Every technical analysis is just for a 50%. After the 50%, the 30% fundamental. If the news is bad, I think this is 20 June. If you are checking for the investing.com 20 June, date of 20 June about the GDP news is must be bad. When the 30% fundamental is bad, 50% technical analysis says is totally downtrend, so it will go must down. Now you need only for the 20%, so you need to recheck yourself. You are thinking right or wrong. So mostly people are watch out for the Fibonacci. Mostly people are. I am also sometimes when I have some confusion, so I just check out must with Fibonacci. I check this 61% complete. They give me rejection. They break out the support. News also bad. So I have a 4 option for the sale. I put my sale here and my stop loss is here and more than this candle. And my take profit is 50 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips, whatever I my strategy. Everyone have our own strategy. It's not necessary you need to follow me and you need to follow someone. You need to your own self. If my pips less is $22, so I need to my must take profit is $44. This is my entry. This 63. I need to out of here. I am just for you forget to all things. You just watch out this thing. This is running by right now in front of you. So how you can decide it is buy or the sell? They break out your support. The news is bad. They complete your retracement. Now you are thinking about sell. If you put in buy, it's 100% risky. You need to hold trade more than 2 days, 5 days, 10 days. But for the day trading, you need to own just these of things is favored with you and you are thinking also sell. So it's 100% you are correct. You need to enter the sale, take your profit and out. And if you are long-term trader, so you can you just go, don't need to go 1 hour, 4 hours, direct go monthly. Okay, they are very low price, close your eyes and buy it. After 1 year, after 6 months, after 8 months, they're rising this area 100%. Did you get it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone agree to what I'm saying?
I said again.
Seriously, brother, seriously.
Yes, I understand.
The thing is, if I
Yes,
say, if
yes,
you are,
everybody understand, but the problem is you need to have a bank account, a very heavy bank account to resist that.
you need to very heavy, the long-term trader, brother, they don't have a small account like 500,000 and the $10,000. The big account means and the big trader means you need to must 1 million and 50 to 60K. and you trade only one channel, one pair. So this is called a long-term trader and a big trader. After the $50K in your account, so you can call a big trader. And the big trader never facing a losses. Why? Because they $50K, okay, they entry right now. The what I am knows to many big traders, they are already entered the 0.050 0.50 trade lot size. They are entered for the buy right now. But they're planning for the next 6 months. If they are resting for the 6 months, they are gaining for the 1800 pips. Okay, and where they put the stop loss, the last very sleepy candle, the 1000 pieces stop loss. So they are already 800 pips if they market rise in this area. And this is not a mean if they put only one trade. When their market come in the favor, they are entry again and again and again and again. They are enter every support level. When they break out resistance, they are putting every entry buy because they already low, very low. Now market need to must go up. They are not need to go more down. If they give you more down, so they have already stop loss. They are enter for the sale. Right now you understand this is a totally finished. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can buy right now. If the market give you more, if they give you more down, so they give you a few losses, not a much losses. If you are thinking here for the long term buy, so you are stupid. If you are thinking here to long time buy, you need to think about the long time buy here. If you are long term trader, for this to tell about the
So
lots
the
of things is
GBP
there.
USD, GBP USD is on a buy now, yeah? Long term buy.
Long term buy.
Okay. So
Long
if it's a
term buy.
long term, so that means the dollar is going to drop, right?
It's not necessary dollar must be dropped.
Okay.
We are just talking about the GBP USD. Maybe dollar going down, then it will come up, and GBP also going up. If, for example, right now the Euro USD, the very good example, you are tell me. Okay. This move you can see.
Yeah.
This move.
Yeah.
Okay. This approximately are 536 pips. Okay. 20 June, 26 May to 12 June.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. Now I saw the dollar down. 422 pips. Okay. Then it will come up. Then retrace, then come up, then retrace, they break out, then down more, then they again going up. So this, they have our own price, they have our own news. But why Euro USD and it will 25 May and 16 noon, less than Euro. Euro rising, why? Because they have a ECB news. They have a contract, they are signing a contract and they win the price. So they are rising quickly more than dollars. And then rising more. If the dollar also going up, so they're rising more. Right now, they have a very good power for the ECB. They have very good projects. They have a lots of employment rate right now. I think the end of the year, they have a lots of employment more than the US dollar. because they are trying to make a more developed to Europe countries.
So if the US dollar is going into is going to go into a crash.
Yeah, US dollar have a target. Now, if I don't remember where I saw the news. You can see that lots of press is there. It will came here. If I check the monthly, so there is the support right now. Everywhere no support is there. So it's totally come 94 again. And the second support is 92. And the third low is 88. You know the 88 price?
88 price.
Yeah, the 2016, the dollar price is 88.
Okay.
And the 2016, they are rising quickly. 16 to 18 period, they are rising very unpredictable. No one knows why they are rising.
Because
No
of
breaking
Donald Trump.
news, no developed countries, no employments, no FOMC meeting, no any and nothing, but they are rising. Why? Because the US market shares going to down and dollar
It's going up,
currency.
man. US market shares going up. You see Tesla is going up.
Yeah, sorry. US, the Europe stock also going up, the US market also going up. The stock market, they are still going up. So dollar are the demandable. When the currency is demandable, it will rising without any news. The same is COVID-19. Right now, if you saw the before few months, you can see this still. This is, I think, COVID-19 20 March, and they give you 1, 2, 3 days. They are starting for the 20 Jan, starting of this year, 1, 2, 3. 600 pips upside. All countries are blocked, all countries are closed, US also closed, everything, but the currency, the dollars have a demandable because every bank don't have a dollars. US can't export anything, and the shares market stocks US shares market also high to high every time they high. You can see the Amazon, they are
But we
rising.
have to,
Tesla,
but we have to understand that the dollar is the king. If the dollar goes down, the other currencies go up. If dollar goes up, then the other currency go down.
is not a necessary. I'm not saying the dollar is not a king, but is it not a necessary? If the GDP have a good news and dollar also have a good news, so they are rising together many times. I'm talking about this. If not necessarily dollar going to down and GDP going to up, many times it will happen. It will go up together. If you, why I'm saying, you can see the gold. Okay, the pair name is gold versus US dollar. Okay, is it clear? This is a pair. This is not a single asset. This candle you can see, and
Yeah.
gold also give you a same candle.
So gold is the opposite of dollar.
Before they are opposite, but right now the gold or dollar, they are rising together.
Yeah, gold is safe haven right now, isn't it?
Yeah, right now safe haven. Before, dollar is a safe haven.
Yeah.
When you saw the
What is
enemy,
gold is a form of what? Is it a bond or a commodity?
it's commodity, no?
Mm.
It's commodity, brother. Before the happen is when the US oil go down and gold going up. they are crossing, because when who buyers on the gold, they are enter with the oil, and who is the enter oil investors, they are came in the gold. When the oil crushing start, so they leave all trade and come into oil gold to recover the losses. So that's why they are rising like that. If you have a 1 ounce gold and you just start to auction, and you say I have a 10 gram gold, I have a 10 ounce gold, so everyone start for the auction. Some say 200 pounds, some say 300 pounds, but you have only one ounce. The one ounce, the secret thing only know you, no other else. They are running still the auction right now, so they are buyers lots of when the market open, and when the distributor and seller start for the distributing gold in the countries, so market came down again, and very quickly they will came down. The same like a gold or same like oil.
So
They
what
are,
other commodities do you trade?
sorry,
What other commodities do you trade?
Oil, innit?
this one is oil. I'm trade only gold.
Gold and oil you trade.
No, only gold.
Okay. And you say in the dollar is going to it's going to go through a long-term downtrend.
Yeah, but they are not going down like that. They are little bit going up, then buyers is came, then it will come down, because market also need money. Market is lots of is there. 80% of market maker is available is there. So how you are deciding your trade, the Fibonacci is very best
Yeah.
level. That's why today is class for the special for the Fibonacci, because lots of people say, "Sir, tell me about the Fibonacci." So the market trend break the bearish trend. Now you are thinking about the trade buy. You need to trace, check, 50% complete. You missed that entry. Okay. Now you are waiting for the 24 race. Maybe it will happen. It will touch this and came down. They break your resistance and they give you one candle is here. So you need to check here to here. If 50% came, they're not going 60% one, 60%, they're not going 61%. So you need to enter sale here and enter sale here. It will go down again. You need to check previous and you need to check a future. So Fibonacci give you 100% retracement. If they give you this two retracement according to your knowledge, they must give you a money. Then you can enter for the decide that now is I am perfect. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I think the one guy is not came. They told me about this. Right now, Euros and NZD, Euro and Kiwi is very good. Okay. Now this my Euro and NZD very good. The sale trend. I check out daily and draw my lines. Okay, one resistance is there, one support is there, one support is there. This is very strong support. If I check the previous, they before very strong resistance, but become right now is a support. So we count this very strong. If they break out this and it will come here again for the retrace, so we can make money very easily right now. It's very good chance. So I just check out the 4 hour. Okay, I'm not taking entry here for the buy or the sell. I need to check my Fibonacci level this, my 38%, 50%. They also under my channel. If they give me a rejection to here in this area, then I will open my sale. But thing is, they need much give me rejection like that. The same candle, bearish and bullish, whatever, I need to hit. If they give me here, then I will open the sale trend. I'm thinking about the sale. My channel also sell. They not break out. They try to bullish trend, but they also break this. They don't have power lots of, so they will can't do. So now my future planning is it will came here and give me a rejection. I open my one sale here. Maybe it will come 50%, then it will come down. So I open my sale here, and they also one very consistent, very good. They give me rejection here, so I will open my sale here. So I have this price level for the sale, and I know this price 1.7345 and 1.744. This price level I'm thinking only for the sale. If they market out of this price, then I will thinking about the buy. This is called a trade plan. I just count this price level, this all area for the sale my side. If any very strong news is came for the euro is very strong news is there, so it will break out this channel. Then I will. It's 100% sure I'm not enter for the sale. If I'm in the sale, and so I'm stupid. But if they break this channel, my 61, my 78 also break my this channel, so I'm totally enter for the buy. You can see my 78 and 61 is under the channel. When they break this area 71, 78, and my buy, so I will enter the buy. They will go here, then retrace, going up. Because this is very bearish trend. Yeah, if you have a good amount for the trade, so you can enter the buy here. You can enter the buy here. Then I will hold it my trade. It will come this, then going this, then 50% retracement, then it will go this. If I check my Fibonacci, so you can see the 50% is there. This is all my future planning for the Euro USD. And how to plan, I will explain you. If you have any questions, so now you can ask me. Yes, guys.
Yeah, so your future plan is
Yeah, you're right now. I am thinking I need to leave GBUSD. Okay, and I just watch out for the cross pair because it's a July month. Yeah, the July month, and August, September, October, November. This 4 month, this 3 months is very dangerous. Why? Because it's not good for the trade. US have election. Okay, so the thing is, the major currency also give you a wrong direction, and they try to give you wrong decision. They are showing to bullish trend and they're going down, they make money. They are showing to bearish trend, then going up, they make money.